Hello guys, it's Thursday, I guess July 10th. Coming to you, showing you one thing I just got in. It's a 5.7 Hemi, and had lifter noise, what we thought was lifter noise. It had tapping in the valve train, and this car has had the MDS deleted already. And I'm going to show you what the noise was, which was kind of striking, because there's no form of damage at all. But I'll show you this here. So if you look, sorry, it's gonna zoom in. The threads are fine. They've used factory bolts, and this is the rocker shaft stands, and it busted completely off the head. Not really sure why. We checked everything that was tightened, but this one here was not, which caused the oil not to go through the rocker shaft and create noise. So this is going to require a new head. But if you guys seen this in the past, let me know what you found was the problem, because there's no signs of it stripping or being over torqued. You can see the material itself just broke away, almost like a bad casting. Let me get it to focus. Yeah. So drop a comment below, let me know if you've seen it before, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.